The aftermath of a controversial police shooting, a Facebook post got a Metro police officer fired. But did that firing trample on that officer's right to free speech? That's the question in the middle of a lawsuit just filed against Metro government. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb has been looking over that lawsuit tonight. Jason, what do this officer's attorneys have to say?
Well, he's making the argument that because the officer never mentions on his Facebook page that he works with Metro Police, that he should be able to post anything that anyone else would.
Okay. Firearm. Okay.
It's a controversy that started with a separate controversy.
Don't pull it out.
The fatal police shooting of Philando Castile in Minnesota in 2016. Among the social media backlash came this post critical of police that landed on Metro Police Officer Anthony Venable's Facebook feed. What followed was a back and forth of comments ending in Venable saying he would have shot Castile 5 times, not 4. Venable was fired from the police force and he is now suing Metro.
My client made postings in a private capacity as a private individual.
His attorney, David Rabin, says what got Venable fired wasn't that Facebook comment alone. It happened only after someone else grouped a screenshot of Venable's comment alongside a picture of him and the police chief, and that post went viral. Rabin says because Venable himself never mentioned he worked for Metro Police on his Facebook profile, he should have been allowed to post that comment under the First Amendment.
That officers do not lose their First Amendment protection simply by donning a uniform.
He says the only reason Venable was ever identified as a police officer online in the first place was because of this picture taken and posted by Metro themselves after Venable won the Officer of the Year award.
Metro itself listed him as a police officer on their own website.
But is that enough to prove Metro Police wrongfully fired Venable? That question may be for a judge or jury to decide.
The lawsuit also says another officer posted a similar thing on Facebook, but he only received a 10-day suspension while Venable was fired. Metro Police have said they stand by their decision to fire him. Live in Nashville, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Jason, thank you. By the way, it was just yesterday that Venable's termination became final. He had appealed the firing, and it was originally overturned by an administrative law judge. But yesterday, Metro's Civil Service Commission overruled that decision hours before Venable filed the lawsuit.